Let's say I wanted to add a stroke to bring something into focus. Say when we command click on the sky, we get the selection there, and if we zoom in on it, I'm going to hold down the H key, click and hold the mouse button, and then come over that. For whatever reason, we didn't zoom in on it. Let's say I want to stroke around this, and I have to hunt for it in the menu, and it's right here. And excuse me, right here. And you can see there's an ellipses, the 3 dots, which means there's a dialog box coming up, but there's no keyboard shortcut. And remember, fill, shift delete is a better shortcut because it goes with the fill with foreground, fill with background. Colors, which is option delete and command delete. So those 3 shortcuts work together. There's a little bonus tip. So if we want to add a stroke, but we want to add a keyboard shortcut for our stroke, well, let's bring up the custom keyboard dialog box, and that is in the edit menu item. And then stroke, where is it? Right in front of me, sitting right there. Click. Now I'm going to hold down, this time I'm going with Control because Shift Option Command S is safe for the web. It's taken. How about Control Option Command S? That's not taken. And we can go ahead and accept that. And go ahead and save it. And click on whatever you named your file and replace it. And it's part of our repertoire now. So now out here, I can say, do my keyboard shortcut, my Control Option Command S, and I have a whole bunch of shortcuts with Control Option Command. And let's say we want to add a 1 pixel stroke and we want it bright red and make this 1 pixel. And we want it, not inside, not in the center. We want it on the outside. This really matters. Click OK and watch this row of pixels surrounding it suddenly turn red. But I'm going to hit Command Z because never, ever, ever add a stroke to a layer that has content on it. Add a new layer and then hit your keyboard shortcut, hit return, and you have your stroke right in position where it does not affect these pixels. These pixels live on their own layer. Very important to keep your layers separate. Little bonus tip for you. Ooh, green and red looks terrible.